Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Guys, many iPhone users want to enable NFC in their iPhone, but the NFC feature is not appearing in their iPhone settings. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can enable this feature in your iPhone. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, to enable NFC feature on iPhone, first launch the shortcut app on your device. Then tap on automation at the bottom and then tap on new automation. Now scroll down and find NFC and tap on it. So this is the NFC option, tap on it. After that you need to tap on scan next to the NFC tag. After this option appears, now you can scan the NFC tag. For this, just bring the phone close to the NFC tag and it will automatically detect and notify you. So guys, that's it for today's video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.